If you want to disable OneDrive on Windows 11, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to stop it from starting up automatically, and if you want, how to fully unlink it from your PC too. This is especially useful if you don't use OneDrive, want to reduce background apps, or just want a cleaner, faster startup experience on Windows 11. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. That opens Task Manager instantly. If Task Manager opens in compact view, don't worry. Just click the Startup Apps tab from the left side or the top section, depending on your version of Windows 11. This area controls which apps launch automatically when your computer starts. Now, in the list of startup apps, find Microsoft OneDrive. You may need to scroll a little if you have several programs enabled at startup. Once you see it, right-click on Microsoft OneDrive and select Disable. This prevents OneDrive from launching every time you turn on your PC. It won't uninstall OneDrive, but it will stop it from running automatically in the background during startup. That's the main step, and for many people, that's enough. If your goal is just to stop OneDrive from appearing every time you boot your computer, disabling it from startup apps is the fastest solution. It's simple, safe, and easy to reverse later if you change your mind. Now, if you want to go one step further and unlink your PC from OneDrive, there's an optional extra step you can do. Open OneDrive again, then go into OneDrive settings. From there, click the Account tab. You should see an option that says Unlink this PC. Click that and confirm if prompted is. This disconnects your Windows 11 device from your OneDrive account, which is useful if you want to stop syncing files entirely on that computer. Keep in mind, unlinking your PC is different from disabling OneDrive at startup. Disabling it stops automatic launch. Unlinking it stops the account connection between your PC and OneDrive. So if you only want OneDrive to stay quiet in the background, disable it. If you want to stop syncing altogether, unlink the PC as well. After doing these steps, you can close Task Manager and continue using Windows 11 normally. If you ever want OneDrive back, you can return to Startup Apps and enable it again, or sign back into OneDrive and reconnect your account. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy Windows 11 how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.